It was a sunny day in the park, where flowers bloomed in vibrant colors of red, yellow, and blue, and tall trees swayed gently in the breeze. This beautiful setting was perfect for adventure, as Maya and Adam were running around, enjoying their time together. Suddenly, Maya spotted a big bush, and curiosity sparked within her. She turned to Adam, pointing out the shiny object she saw, and they both approached the bush to investigate what hidden treasure lay beneath the leaves. As Maya pushed aside the dense foliage, her small hands discovered something warm and glowing, an extraordinary soccer ball. This was no ordinary ball. It radiated a soft, magical light that drew them in closer. Sitting down on the grass, Maya and Adam admired the ball's beauty, until, to their astonishment, it began to speak. "Hello, my name is Benny," it announced cheerfully. Maya and Adam exchanged wide-eyed glances, amazed at the realization that they were talking to a soccer ball. Benny, the magic soccer ball, revealed its special powers, making their hearts race with excitement. With smiles beaming on their faces, Maya and Ab knew their exciting adventure was just beginning, filled with wonders aplenty and fun experiences waiting to unfold on this magical day.